You know those quiet days where you wake up and you don't really know what you want to do for the day. It's gloomy out, it's gray, and you haven't made any plans. And you're torn between having a full bed rotting day or actually getting up and doing something. And you may struggle with knowing what to do, but a little trick I like to use is Pinterest. So I've just gotten changed into my little work outfit because I know I'm going to be going to the gym soon. I like to scroll on my Pinterest homepage and then find photos that will represent the activities I will be doing today. So I made a little collage just for today. I don't usually do this, but I felt like I could be a little extra today of a few photos that I wanted to recreate or do the same activities as. The first one being breakfast, some sourdough, some fruits, a little cottage cheese vibe. I thought we could spend this quiet, slow day together. I have been wanting to make this matcha recipe for the longest time ever. So we're gonna do it today. It's pretty simple. It's just a vanilla matcha latte, but the only thing is for the longest time I had this matcha for the longest time ever. And I bought it when I only started drinking matcha, and I realized pretty quickly that it wasn't like ceremonial matcha, you know? But I don't really like wasting stuff. So I've been trying to like drink it either way and like, I don't know, find recipes to make with it. One thing I did do with it was a matcha affogato, which was so good. If you don't know what affogato is, it's basically, normally it's an espresso shot into your ice cream, but then basically you do it with matcha instead. And that was so good. So recommend if you want to do that, especially now for summer and stuff, cute. But as like just a regular matcha is not the best. So I'm thinking I'm gonna add this, plus this is a vanilla protein powder. I don't love protein powder in general because like it's, I don't know, I find it like a bit thick and too much, but I do like this protein which my mom got. I think the brand is Bulk, because that protein basically you just mix it with water and it kind of becomes like a little juice or grenadine type of drink, which is way easier to drink and it's not like thick. And but this one is perfect because it actually tastes so good, like vanilla, like I said. So I'm gonna try and pop that into my matcha. I found that we had raspberries in the fridge, so I'm gonna make a raspberry vanilla ice matcha latte. This is looking really cute, but now we need to see what it tastes like. I mean, the colors are there, but I don't know. Let's mix it up. I also added some vanilla syrup or extract. I don't know what the difference is. Like, it's good, but I'm distracted by the raspberries, I think. I don't think it really goes together. Or I just think I did it wrong, to be honest. Another thing I've seen on Pinterest lately is all about shoes and kind of altering them, but in the easiest way, just using the laces and making little bows with them. How adorable is that? So I found a little video on Pinterest that shows you exactly how to do it, and I thought, why not try it out? I'm gonna do it with these shoes that I have. Nike, NBA, not exactly sure. I think they're Air Force One, yeah. And I thought they could look so much cuter with little bows on them. First, we need to remove the laces. And I've always found that these laces were a little long for some reason, so I think with these bows it'll probably like shorten them a little too, which is perfect. Oh my gosh, I've only ever learned how to do bows one specific way. How do I learn how to do that another way? Oh my gosh, get back to you when I figure this out. Is this cute? I feel like it is. Wait, I think I like this. I don't think you're ready for this. Like, this is your sign to do this with a pair of shoes that you're a little bit tired of, or like you feel like they've had their time a little bit. Girl, make the laces into cute little bows. This is adorable. I feel like I'm gonna want to wear these so much more now. I feel like the theme right now a little bit is revamping stuff we want to wear more. The house is also under construction right now, so if you're hearing anything, don't mind that. Okay, if you saw my Stockholm thrift video, you would have seen that I thrifted this cutesy, gorgeous, amazing bag. This would genuinely be such a good everyday bag, but if you saw that video, you would also know that the straps are pretty damaged, and I only realized that after buying the bag. I've seen on Pinterest people put like little satin scarves on the sleeves, and normally it's actually to protect the bag, you know, so it doesn't really get scratched or rubbed or whatever. So I thought I hopefully can do that on here, and hopefully it will look good, because then I'll actually be able to like wear it so much more. The only thing is I don't actually own any scarves, so we're going on a little hunt in my mom's little scarf drawer, and hopefully we can find something cute. I mean, we have lots of colors. We want one that's like not too big though. I love the colors of this one, but I think it's actually huge. Polka dot could be fun, but I think it's too big as well. I don't know, I'm gonna keep this one just in case. Okay, this is like a tiny one. I think this could go pretty well. I don't know about blue and black going together though. I have this one, which I feel like could be perfect because it's like thin and long. Let's try a few things out. I definitely think that the one I want to work the most is this one, because it's hello polka dots, but it's just gonna be, I think it's just gonna end up looking super bulky. I'm not even sure how to tie this, but I'm just gonna YOLO do my thing. I'm thinking if I leave a piece out, oh my gosh, if I had a bag like this, like literally just this as a strap, so gorgeous. I need this to work. And I'm just gonna wrap it around and hope for the best. I don't know. What do we think? Is this too much? I think it's a little much. I mean, it's definitely a lot, but I feel like it could work. No, no, it probably looks horrible. Okay, after some reflection, I think this would look really good if this bag was like a textile bag, not a leather bag. It could have been super cool. I think this is definitely feeling protective, but I don't own anything orange in my closet because I feel like I have such a hard time styling orange. So is it smart to have orange on a bag that I want to use as an everyday bag? I don't know. I don't like that either. I think my best bet would be if I could find like some black silk material or just like textile or something. So I'm not really liking any of these options. Let me see if I maybe have something upstairs. I do have a few fabrics. I mean, I have this, which is from a pair of trousers that I cut off, and it's black. I mean, I guess I could always try. I just quickly looked in my closet just to make sure that I didn't own any scarves, and I completely forgot, but I have this right here, which I think is gonna be perfect. It's black, it's silky, and there's even a little flower on it. Hello, why did I not think about that before? I really am having a hard time tying these things, because like this black one, I don't know, just looks too DIY-y, and I'm not trying to make it look DIY. I'm trying to make it look like that this was totally supposed to be on the bag and it was sold with the bag. Okay, attempt number what, 4 now? This was a long process, but now I think I'm officially gonna be wearing this bag like every single day. So we have the flower. Okay, it's a little hard to see in this lighting. The back of the bag, I kind of just tied it. It actually ended up looking like a really cute bow, but this is now our new bag, or at least that's what it feels like. It feels like I just got a brand new bag. I just changed. I've been like playing around with how to wear this top, because you can kind of wear it lots of different ways, but I think I'm gonna settle for off the shoulders. And I also have this little bra that's like peeking through, but it's so cute because it's like pink and then it has some little polka dots on it. The top is from & Other Stories. I have a maxi skirt from, I think it's from Primark. And then I wanted to wear my little flip-flop kitten heels that are also in this really pretty brown color from H&M. I don't know if I even said it, but we're going out to eat with the fam this evening. I think we're going to an Italian restaurant, which is so good. So I'm so excited to eat some good food.